Hi! Kaon karon is kinilaw ug saging.
Nothing brought out the puppy and Ugly to play the The squeaks were coming from George's apartment. George hoped that Squeaky would lure Jane back to her cage. All he could do now was wait, quietly. George was worried that Ugly would scare Jane. Speaking of Jane, where'd she go? Ugly didn't know a squeaky toy could lick your nose. How was George supposed to keep track of a disappearing, color-changing chameleon? Maybe George could keep track by tracking her tracks. George thought putting paint all over the floor might be too messy. He needed something unmessy that would show Jane's footprints so George could follow them. Flour might work. It was only sort of messy. Ugly didn't know what George was up to. Whatever it wasn't clean. How was George going to see Jane's tracks if their tracks were in the way? Oddly enough, some things were better if you do them backwards. George and Ugly had to step outside for some fresh air.